Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then this is Moumi. I hope you all are safe and staying in the indoors. I know you all know too much about COVID-19, but still it's my request to you, my dear subscribers. Please stay at home, enjoy your daily works or YouTube videos, makeup tutorials, cooking hacks, do whatever you like, but please stay at your home. So here I am starting my video. Today's video is about my favorite concealer, that is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Almost everyone knows about it. Previously it was Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, but now it comes with its new look, that is Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Multiple Use Concealer. When I have updated the status for this video, someone asked me to inform about the shades of Dark Circle Concealer and Multiple Use Concealer, but dear, both of them are same with their same formula. It comes with 18 different shades, but in India you will get only 6 shades. This video is requested by Fiorella and Shefali. So coming to its packaging, it comes in a plastic twist up tube with a sponge tip applicator. So it is travel friendly and ready to use. Today I will apply it directly only on my bare face to show you how it works without any foundation underneath. So here the first shade I am applying, this is 150 Neutralizer. You can see this is too pale for my skin, so I will lighten up my brow bone with this. This shade is almost 3 to 4 shades brighter than my skin tone. Trust me guys, this concealer looks very pretty and natural on any skin type. The next shade I'm gonna show you, this is the shade 122 Sand. This is quite good for my skin tone. So I'm using this sand shade to highlight my face. I'm applying it directly on my under eyes, nose bridge, chin and on my forehead. Now I'm blending it thoroughly with a beauty blender. Here you can see that it's a very lightweight concealer, so it doesn't look cakey at all, and also it will not settle into your creases. But as you can see, this has a medium coverage, so you have to apply foundation before using this. I always like to apply makeup in a very little amount so that I can look a little bit natural. As it gives medium coverage, if you have intense dark circles, put some orange corrector, dab a little bit of powder lightly to set it, then apply this concealer on top of it. Staying power of this product is pretty good. It stays up to 6 to 7 hours. So here are some photos that I have clicked after 5 to 6 hours with flash. I didn't use any kind of translucent powder to set it, but still it looks intact on my face after 5 hours. And this is the result of the concealer when I apply it with the foundation. It looks pretty good on my face. Now I will discuss about the shades of this concealer, but before that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to know all the latest updates of my channel. So before going to the shade, please check your undertones. If you have green veins, you have warm or yellow undertones. If you have blue or purple veins, you have cool or pink undertones. If you have both blue, green and purple veins, you have neutral undertones. For your concern, I have subdivided the skin tones in 8 different shades. The shades are very fair or white skin, or you can say pale skin. The next skin tone is the fair skin. Then it comes the light skin. Then it comes light to medium skin, then medium skin, medium dark skin and deep skin. So firstly, I'm gonna talk about the pale white or very fair skin. Very fair or white skin with pink dominant neutral undertones can use the shade 95 Cool Ivory. This is the brightest shade in the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer range, and the one and only shade for very fair or pale white skin. Now coming to the fair skin tone with peachy neutral undertones can use the shade 100 Ivory. This is almost 4 to 5 shades darker than the shade Cool Ivory. Fair skin with yellow or warm undertones can use the shade 150 Neutralizer. Maybelline suggests that you can use it as an under eye concealer to hide the dark circles, but I will say don't go for it because if you have medium to dark complexion, it will really make your face pale and will not hide any dark circle. This shade lies between MAC Pro Longwear Concealer number NC15 and NC20. Fair skin with pink or cool undertones can use the shade 110 Fair. Now I will discuss about the light skin tone. Light skin tone with warm or yellow undertones can use the shade 115 Warm Light. This shade is quite similar to the shade Maybelline Fit Me Warm Nude 128. Light skin tone with peachy neutral undertones can use the shade 120 Light. Light skin tone with pink or cool undertones can use the shade 121 Light Honey. Now here is one shade that is for light to medium skin. That is light to medium skin with warm or yellow undertones can use the shade 122 Sand. Now this is the time for medium skin tone. Medium skin tone with peachy neutral undertone can use the shade 130 Medium. Please remember this shade is not similar to Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Medium Moyen. This 130 Medium is darker. Medium skin with pink dominant neutral undertone can use the shade 140 Honey. If you have medium skin with cool or pink undertones, you can use this shade too. Medium skin with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade 142 Golden. There is only one shade for medium dark skin, that is 144 Caramel. If you have medium dark skin with warm or yellow undertone, you can use this. Now coming to the dark skin tone range, dark skin tone with yellow dominant olive undertone can use the shade 145 Warm Olive. Dark or tan skin tone with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade 146 Tan. These two shades are quite similar to each other, but 146 Tan is little darker than warm olive and it has a very beautiful yellow tone in it. So this is the time for deep skin. Deep skin tone with yellow or warm undertone can use the shade 148 Hazelnut. Deep skin tone with pink or cool undertones can use the shade 147 Mahogany. And the darkest in the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer range is the shade 149 Deep Bronze. This is for deep skin with neutral undertones. The last one in the Maybelline Instant Eraser Concealer range is the shade 160 Brightener. This shade is used on the top of any kind of foundation, or you can mix it with your concealer to brighten up your under eye area. This concealer is damn good, guys. Use it once and tell me your experience in the comment section. If you wanna look natural and simple yet wearing makeup, just use it once. So these are the all new 18 updated shades of Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. All my social media links are mentioned in the description box below. You can follow me or ask me any question there. All the shades available in India are mentioned in the description box below. You can directly purchase it from these links. You will get huge discount on Amazon. So this is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will love to reply you all, but there is a problem. If I am not replying you, means your comment is too old for the YouTube notification. YouTube is not notifying me about your replies, so please re-comment on the videos. I will definitely check it and reply it. So guys, this was my video about Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. For more further information, you can check the description box. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends to show your love. I will try to post the requested videos as soon as possible. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thanks for watching the whole video. Goodbye.